beautiful mom, and this is her channel, Habesha Kitchen. And on today's episode, she's gonna show you guys how to make gat. This is Habesha.
No, make Tesme.
Yeah, but like to make gat, you need Tesme.
After. Today we're gonna make Tesme with the butter.
Yeah.
That's salted. This one's unsalted. The heat very low heat.
First step, you gotta melt the butter. Now that we have the butter melted, so tell them what you have to do now. What ingredients do you have to add?
It's, the butter's melted right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the ingredients. This one's garlic. Okay. Next ingredient is ginger. Next one's abache.
I don't know how to say this in English, but
It's abache.
it's called abache.
Red onion. Next ingredients, I don't know English, but
What is it called?
kororima.
So it's called kororima, but we're gonna find out what it's called in English, don't worry.
The next one's alicha.
Next ingredient called alicha.
And I don't know in English. This one's Moshoro. Names, even it's not Tigrinya, Amharic. Koshoro. This one. Only for the Tesme. Okay. We put all ingredients. تعملنا واحد كذا يتوسد. بزح سراح يزدلوه. بزح تعمل قالوه مالك. بزح سراح بزح تعمل. الجق حاوسة. حاوسة أنا الإنجليزي كله تقوى. بس سيلو فلحي بتعمل قص سيلو فلحي. بتعمل خانايتي باتر رصحات على اللوز واتس ندافرها كله. جينا فري وامي. كنطريقنا كنطريق كأدي رصحات كوزي كل رصحات نايتي باتر بزح نجار له.
So pretty much, she's saying once the butter is like boiling and melting, all the bad stuff will come out to the top, and then she's gonna clean it off.
جميرو كن نقدر كنطريق لنا في رصحات نلعلس لزواتس رصحاته نعطانا كنطريق نتصرف استفسر مالتي. It's all very dirty. Comes from the butter. So now it's ready. I'm gonna turn off. It's done. أجي لازم يتوتيو زريرو. نعمل بطء هون كنترينا. مقمتيو. سقاب شدش تورحي. سقاب عامد كتسألني حاب دقي أفترش كي أتوه. منطقة عملو. Ready مالتيو. هاي بالاشونيو. Nothing changed. Smells so good.
Now that we have the butter ready right here, all we gotta do is make the gat, which is kind of simple. It's easier than making the Tesme. So what do you have to do to make the gat?
I have flour, this barley, the olive, the tahino مالتيو. My فليحلو.
So add salt to the water.
قرب مايك المصلية ماي دا قوار كي خمسة نتقعد قرب مايك المصلية فرد قطوة medium heat.
Medium heat.
Okay. حجي خمزي المسماتة قدم كنت صبي لنا خمزي لتي مايك متبخبي مثلا كي عنكور حرج عمو تقليل خي تعرف خمزي مسماتة شعوب زامع خلقتنا كيفنا نزورة مالتيو نزورة يبتن أي عنكورن مالتيو.
So pretty much in order to have a clean God like well mixed, you got to start from the middle and go around it, right?
Yeah. تزرع أوروبا دين رمات سوالو أوروب كاتو سوالو ده أوروب يلبسلسو تبعه.
So if it's too light, then you add a little more of the the powder.
يلا. سلام سبلا ما يكأخذ زي أوعيت ما يترفنا يا. ما مالتي. استيلا مليون كي.
So pretty much you add and subtract. So you add a little water and then mix it again. Add a little water, mix it.
Nice and soft. قعدت سرير فينو قمتي لها لوقتي أشحني قمتي لها جي ready to eat.
So I make it into a circle?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a circle and like قعد قفز بلد.
So it's gonna look like a volcano, pretty
Yeah.
much. So to make the volcano like shape God, you gotta use your hand.
Yeah.
But wash your hand first of all.
Yeah. This is
So
very.
use like a little cup to make the volcano shaped hole.
It's ready now. See? For the قعد. I'm gonna put here.
So you put Tesme in
Tesme.
the cup in the little volcano area. Next,
Berbere.
daisy sour cream,
Lazy sour cream, yes.
pure and natural. And where do you put that?
The
On the side. So you want to put it on the bottom of it.
yeah.
Okay.
The bar. قعدت قاعيتو ريدو خينلو نخبلا ريدو خينلو أبدي تسمي أبدي كيرنالو بربري كيرلو أجي أبدي يركا برلو مالي تسمي يركا
Looks beautiful now. And now it's ready to be served.
Now it's ready.
And that will do it for today's episode. If you guys like this episode and you guys want to support my mom and her cooking channel, leave a comment down below and tell her what you guys want to see. Do you have anything to say?
Yeah, so thank you for watching and
See you guys on the next episode. Hello everyone, this is my beautiful mom.